What is the value of the expression 66 divided by 3 times open parentheses 5 plus 6 close parentheses times 2? Depending on how you were taught or how you interpret the order of operations, you might arrive at completely different answers, like 1 or 484. In this video, we're going to break down why so many people get trapped by this problem, clear up the biggest myth about multiplication and division, and walk through two complete examples step by step so you never make these mistakes again. Let's look at how most people approach this problem and end up with the wrong answer. First, they look inside the parentheses. 5 plus 6 is 11, giving 66 divided by 3 times 11 times 2. Next, they see two multiplication signs, or a number touching parentheses, and assume multiplication takes priority over division. They multiply 3 times 11 to get 33, and then 33 times 2 to get 66. And finally, they divide 66 by 66 to get 1. It feels logical, but getting 1 breaks one of the fundamental laws of arithmetic. Let's look at why. To solve this correctly, we have to follow PEMDAS, the order of operations checklist. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents or powers. Now, pay very close attention to M and D, multiplication and division. Multiplication does not come before division, just because M is written before D in PEMDAS. They share equal priority. When you have both multiplication and division in the expression, you must perform them strictly from left to right as they appear. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction at the very end. Let's solve our first problem properly. 66 divided by 3 times open parentheses 5 plus 6 close parentheses times 2. Step 1. Work inside the parentheses first. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Now our expression is 66 divided by 3 times 11 times 2. Step 2. Evaluate multiplication and division from left to right. Scanning from left to right, division comes first. 66 divided by 3 equals 22. Now we have 22 times 11 times 2. Next, 22 times 11 gives 242. And finally, 242 times 2 gives us our final answer of 484. Now let's solve a second math problem together. What is the value of 25 minus 5 times 10 minus 5? Here is how many people fall into a trap on this one. They read from left to right and see 25 minus 5. They subtract 5 from 25 to get 20, leaving 20 times 10 minus 5. Then they simplify it inside the parentheses. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Finally, they multiply 20 by 5 to get 100. But why is this wrong? Because subtracting before multiplying violates the core hierarchy of PEMDAS. Let's solve this the right way. Step 1. Parentheses first. 10 minus 5 equals 5. This rewrites our expression as 25 minus 5 times 5. Step 2. Check priorities between subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication always beats subtraction, so we must calculate 5 times 5 first, which equals 25. Now we are left with 25 minus 5. Step 3. Perform the subtraction. 25 minus 25 equals 0. The correct final answer is 0. To wrap up, keep these golden rules in mind whenever you evaluate an expression. Always resolve parentheses first. Remember that multiplication and division are equal partners. Never force multiplication first, just because of how PEMDAS is spelled. Always work left to right. Never perform addition or subtraction before completing all multiplication and division steps. Master these steps, and you will get every order of operations problem right. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step math breakdowns.